Yulia Pучkova, Nick and Pat's Diary. Chapter 2. A Live Alarm Clock. Another problem appeared when I became 6 and went to school. My parents couldn't wake me up in the morning. Every morning, Mom came into my room and said, "It's time to get up, Nicky," and she repeated it again and again. But I didn't hear, so she called Dad. When Dad came into my room, he shouted, "You get up, Nicky, or I will do something terrible." He repeated it several times, but it didn't work. You must know one thing. My dad is the kindest dad in the world. He can never do anything terrible. So I wasn't afraid at all and I continued sleeping. My parents didn't know what to do, so they bought me a special alarm clock. When it was 7 in the morning, this alarm clock started doing one naughty thing after another. First, it rang very loudly. Then, it started barking like a real big dog. If I didn't get up and turn it off, it started singing. "Mommy's eating pancakes, Daddy's eating cornflakes, Daddy's drinking iced tea, now the fridge is empty." To tell the truth, I love pancakes, cornflakes and iced tea. As soon as I heard this song, I jumped up and ran to the kitchen. But there were always pancakes, cornflakes and iced tea for me. So, a week later, that song stopped waking me up. My parents were terribly angry. They thought and thought, and a month later they bought me and Pat a small puppy. At first I didn't understand why, and was very happy, but soon everything became clear. Every morning, when my alarm clock started ringing, my puppy ran into the room. He didn't bark. Instead, he took the edge of my blanket with his teeth, pulled it off me, and ran away to the kitchen with it. I was in bed in my pants and a t-shirt. Soon I started freezing. Can you sleep when you are freezing? I can't. So I jumped out of the bed and ran after my blanket. I always found it in the kitchen, but there were hot pancakes, cornflakes with milk, and iced tea on the table. That was the end of the problem. You know, I called our puppy Rascal. That was the right name for such a naughty dog.